Hello, I Dr. Pragya Srivastava, Department of Life Science, Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal. Today we will discuss about the forest resources in India. Introduction to forest resources in India. India is blessed with diverse forest resources encompassing everything from lush tropical rainforest to alpine forest in the Himalayas. These resources play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance and supporting the livelihoods of millions of people. Importance of forest resources for the environment: biodiversity preservation, second oxygen production, third one is water preservation. First we discuss biodiversity preservation. Indian forests provide a habitat for numerous plant and animal species, contributing significantly to the overall biodiversity of the planet. Oxygen production: forests act as the lung of our planet, producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide, thereby mitigating the impact of climate change. Water preservation: forest ecosystem play a critical role in regulating water cycles, ensuring a sustainable supply of water for various ecological and human needs. Types of forest resources found in India: tropical rainforest, deciduous forest, mangrove forest. Tropical rainforest: these dense forests are characterized by high rainfall and house an incredible diversity of flora and fauna. Deciduous forests: these forests shed their leaves annually and are known for the rich biodiversity and commercially valuable timber species. Mangrove forests: these unique coastal forests play a crucial role in coastal line, providing a habitat for various marine species. Challenges and threats to forest resources in India: first one is deforestation, second wildlife poaching, third forest fire. Deforestation: unplanned urbanization, agricultural expansion and industrialization have led to extensive deforestation in various regions of India. Wildlife poaching: illegal wildlife trade and poaching pose a severe threats to the survival of many endangered species residing in Indian forests. Forest fire: forest fires, often exacerbated by human activities, result in significant damage to the ecosystem and wildlife habitats. Conservation and management of forest resources. Protected areas: designating wildlife sanctuaries, national park and biosphere reserve is essential for safeguarding forest resources and their inhabitants. Sustainable logging practices: implementing responsible forestry practices and promoting sustainable logging helps in preserving the ecological balance and preventing deforestation. Community participation: involving local communities in conservation effort can lead to enhanced protection of forest resources and sustainable utilization of natural wealth. Economic value of forest resources in India: timber and non-timber products. Forests contribute to the economy through the sale of timber, medicinal plant, honey, resin and other non-timber forest products. Tourism and recreation: forests attract nature enthusiasts, wildlife photographers and adventure seekers, generating revenue through ecotourism and related activities. Environmental services: forests provide vital environmental services such as carbon sequencer, soil conservation and climate regulation, benefiting various sections of the economy. Role of forest resources in supporting biodiversity: habitat formation, species interdependent gene pool production. Habitat formation. Forests provide diverse habitats that support a wide range of species, thereby for testing biodiversity and ecological resilience. Species interdependent. Plant and animal species forests form complex interdependent relationship, creating a biodiverse and interconnected ecosystem. Gene pool protection. Conserving forest resources is crucial for safeguarding the genetic diversity of various species, ensuring their long-term survival. Conclusion and key takeaways. Ecological balance. Forest resources play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance and supporting the overall health of the environment. Community welfare. Effective conservation and sustainable management of forest resources can lead to improved livelihood and well-being for surrounding communities. National heritage. Indian forests, with their rich cultural and ecological significance, are an integral part of the nation heritage and identity. Thank you.